Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring the SDK and JDK are ready. This is non-negotiable. Once the Android SDK and Open JDK are installed, point Android Home or Android SDK root to the SDK folder so tools can find it. Then open Vscode and install the extensions you need, Flutter, Kotlin, or Gradle support, so editors, linters, and tasks are available. Make sure Android Studio is installed too. You will use its SDK manager and emulators, not the Studio UI for coding. Now you configure Vscode to drive Android Studio components. First, add platform tools and tools/bin to path and restart the terminal so a DB and AvManager work. Next, rely on the Gradle wrapper, generate tasks, JSON to run, /gradlu assemble debug, and /gradlu install debug. Set up launch. JSON to call the emulator or attach to device via a DB. This lets you debug from Vscode. Once done, test by building a simple debug APK and listing devices with a DB devices. Finally, run and debug from Vscode. Launch an AVD or plug in a device, then use the configured debug profile to install and attach the debugger. You will iterate, build, install, inspect logs, so make sure Gradle output and a DB logcat are visible in the integrated terminal. If something breaks, first accept licenses with SDK Manager licenses, then update SDK tools, also kill and restart a DB or the Gradle daemon. One key tip: if an emulator won't start, wipe its data and cold boot the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.